Hello, welcome back crafters. It's Denny here with Sundays We Craft. So this week I'm going to review another craft kit. So this one is from Cardboard Safari. I got a dragon that you can mount on your wall. I'm pretty excited. It's for my Lord of the Rings living room because, you know, Smaug. It doesn't look exactly like Smaug looks, but you know, it's got the horns and it looks like a dragon. So honestly, I think it looks more like Tolkien's illustrations in his book. If you look at some of them, they have his illustrations. Anyway, so I'm pretty excited about it. Let's go. So the coolest thing about Cardboard Safari is you have different sizes from small to giant. Now, I wish I could have got the giant, but, you know, I didn't feel like spending $140 on a dragon. But yeah. So here I am opening it. I'm going to show you, you know, what it all comes with. So yeah, fun. I just wanted to say, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it. I don't want to get a day job, so you guys can help me. So these are all the pieces that it comes with. They have numbers indented on them, which is great because I'm going to spray paint it. Here are the directions. It comes in white and cardboard, but I got white. So yeah. Now we're going to spray paint it. Ugh, that's where my spray paint broke. I had to squeeze it and make it work. Anyway, I'm going to paint it black first and then red because the red I had was really bright and I wanted it more like a, you know, a scarlet dark red rather than a bright red. So instead of getting different spray paint, I'm just going to use what I have on hand. So I do a coat of red pretty soon after because, you know, it'll be fine. It'll mix together better that way, I feel. I think it was like 10 minutes. I let it dry a little bit. And I also turn it over after about an hour and do the other side the same way. And it turned out pretty good. I did run out of spray paint, but I ended up using acrylic paint and it still looked the same on either side. So it worked out pretty well. So these were kind of a pain in the butt to pop out, but I honestly think it's just because I spray painted it, because before I spray painted it, I'd pick it up and they'd fall out really easy. So if this had not been painted, it would probably come out a lot simpler. I would definitely suggest taking all the pieces out first, lining them up in order of number, and then putting it all together, because it got really annoying to pause, take something apart, and then put it into place. So if I were to do it again, I would definitely do that. Anytime I do any puzzle, probably I'm going to do that. Just take all the pieces out, put them in order, and then put it together. It just quickens the process. So I was silly and I didn't really do it in order of number. I just found two somewhat big pieces. They were the first ones, you know, and then I found the number, counted the lines. So I'm not really going in order, but you know, you probably should. But yeah, I'm just using my fingers and then just counting up the ridges to figure out where the numbers go. And then I'm just sliding them in. I'm glad I painted it before because I feel like if I would have waited until after, I wouldn't have been able to get in all the nooks and crannies. The only downside is that the cardboard texture is still showing, but I don't really hate it. Far away, you really don't notice it. And I could have spray painted it again afterwards, but meh, didn't seem like it was worth it to go buy more spray paint. If I had had some, I might have done it. But, you know, cardboard's weird, so I don't think it would have painted properly anyway. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think the cardboard edges look bad? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think would be cool? My mom suggested gold, but then I don't know how I'd do that without messing up the rest of it. Anyway, let me know what you would do to the edges in the comments. Okay, so this is where I realized I am messing up the neck because things aren't fitting properly and it's being weird. So I decided to take them out and I looked in the instructions and apparently it's supposed to be curved. Derp. Anyway, so I decided to start from the back and work my way forward to help it curve a little bit. And it seemed to work out a little better that way. I just wanted to keep that little mess up in so you guys can see, you know, weird things. Okay, so I actually put the wings on backward at first because you want the ridges on the other side of where the wings fold, so they fold outward, not backward. Because if they fold backward, then the wall's gonna get in the way. I don't show me switch it around, but I'm just letting you know that that's not the right way that they go. So when you see it facing the other way, you're not like, what? So the horns are actually perforated or serrated or whatever it's called, so they bend backwards, and so you just go along each little knot and just bend it a little bit until you like how it looks. The wings do the same thing, but they're supposed to fold forward because they have those ridges. So you just fold it along their ridges where it's perforated, Like I said, it's supposed to go out, it's supposed to go towards the dragon head, not away from it. So I did that backwards, but that's just easy swap-a-roo. Thank you so much for watching Sundays We Craft, where we put together a cardboard safari dragon head made of cardboard. Obviously cardboard safari. Anyway, so the directions said that this was advanced and for 14 and up, and I got mine from Amazon. So it was about $45 for a medium-sized one. And it was a couple hours worth of fun, but so I do think that it was worth the money, and the instructions were clear-cut. I just think that it's not so hard that it's advanced. You know what I mean? Like, the directions were super straightforward. All you really did was slide cardboard into, the places. So I don't really get why they put advanced. Honestly, I feel like a beginner could do this. Maybe a kid would need help, but honestly, I really didn't think it was that hard, and it was a lot of fun. And I think it looks great on my wall. The only complaint I have is that they were kind of hard to pop out, but that's probably because I spray painted it before I put it together, because I wanted it to be a dark red instead of a white. So that was probably on me. So if I were to do it again, maybe I'd pop them out first and then spray paint. But honestly, just being able to flip it, it really wasn't that big of a deal. So, meh. The directions were really straightforward. As I said, it was a lot of fun. Maneuvering it was kind of annoying sometimes. The numbers, when I spray painted it, I could still see the numbers. So that was cool because it was like indented into it instead of just printed on it. So I really liked that. I think they made it where you could customize it to what you want it to be. So yeah, I would highly recommend this. I'd say 8 out of 10. It was a lot of fun. Pretty straightforward. So yeah, definitely recommend. I got mine off Amazon. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'd love to see you every Sunday for a fun, crafty video. I have more Harry Potter bedroom series coming up. I just wanted to show you guys this dragon because I was so excited about it. Have a good day. Bye.